Hello students, good morning all. Today we are answering question 27, JAM 2000. The question is on vowel sounds and the heading, the head or the instruction reads as follows. In each of questions 26 to 30, choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. Now, these letters that are underlined are representing one of the diphthongs that we have in the English language, which is this: air, air, air. What we mean by diphthongs is a combination of two sounds that are pronounced connectedly. In English, we have F diphthongs, which are as follows: I, ow, a, oi, air, ear, oor, ow. Here is one of the 8 diphthongs that we have, and the option given is represented by the letters on the line is air sound. Now I'm going to pronounce the options given, the words in the options given, to see which one is the same as the one in the option given. A is hair, hair. B is hair, hair, hair. C is pronounced as here, here, here. D is pronounced as fire, fire, fire. Now, when you listen to me very attentively, you will agree with me that the correct option, which is in line with the given word, is option A, pronounced as hair, hair, hair. So in hair, we have the air sound, just as in the option given, air. It means A is the correct option, whereas hair, here, and fire are wrong option. Now, this one is this sound, which is a long vowel, air sound, air, as in hair, as in say, as in work. This one is this diphthong, ear, 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 as in near, as in beer, as in tear. Then this one is a triphthong, that is a combination of 3 vowels, ire, ire, as in fire, tire, and so on. Now, you should know that the option given is air, and that is the correct option, which is A. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, English with Dicko Jam Focus. Thank you.